Oh my god, did I sneeze? Hey friends, do you know why I sneezed? I don't have a cold, I'm perfectly alright. But I think we don't know the actual cause of sneezing. Come, let's find out in this video.
Hey friends, I'm sure you all must have found yourself sneezing now and then. But have you ever wondered why it happens? No? Okay, in today's video, let's explore the world of sneezing and find the answer to an important question. Why do we sneeze? Sneezing, also called sternutation, is our body's natural reflexive way of getting rid of something irritating inside our nose. Any foreign particle such as dust, perfume, smoke, and even our pet's hair can tickle or irritate the inner part of our nose and trigger a sneeze. So, when an unwanted particle goes inside the delicate part of our nose, causing a tickle, a message is sent to a special part of our brain. The brain then sends a message to all the muscles that have to work together to create an amazingly complex process that we call the sneeze. Even though sneezing seems to be an automatic action, it involves complex coordination as our brain needs to get different parts of our body to work together. But how does it happen? Well, as soon as our brain sends the signal to sneeze within a fraction of seconds, we will find our eyes forced shut, our tongue pushing against the roof of our mouth, and other parts like our belly muscles, chest muscles, diaphragm, vocal cords, throat muscles getting together correctly to create a perfect sneeze. Sneeze sends those irritating particles out of our nose along with air, water, and mucus at nearly 100 miles per hour. Wow! Isn't it amazing, friends? But it's not just unwanted particles going into our nose that causes sneezing. There are other factors as well, like when we catch a cold or when a virus makes a temporary home inside our nose. Some people sneeze due to allergies or even getting exposed to certain things such as animated dander or pollen. Whatever the reason may be, always remember that sneezing is one way that cold germs and flu viruses are spread around you. So, do not forget to use a tissue or sneeze into your inner elbow. Did you know some people sneeze when they step into the bright sunshine? Well, their nose isn't necessarily irritated and they're probably not allergic to the sun. Instead, they are a photic sneezer. Photic means light, and some people have an unusual sensitivity to light that can trigger a sneeze. It is considered to be a genetic trait, which means if you are a photic sneezer, you inherited it from your parents. So that's all for today, children.
So friends, I hope you got to learn today why we sneeze. Also, share this video with your friends and let them know the reason behind sneezing as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to get more updates on such educational videos. Thanks for watching.